Quiz 1 Tutorial Problem Solving. So number 1. A Ferris wheel at Bulacan Integrated National High School has a radius of 15 meters and completes one full revolution every 60 seconds. Calculate the linear velocity and angular velocity of the Ferris wheel. So sa number 1, ang hanapin natin yung linear at yung angular. Ang una kong hanapin yung angular kasi para mas madali kumanap yung linear. So, W theta over time. So, ito yung sa angular. Ang given pa sa number 1 ay yung radius na 15 meters. Yung 1 revolution. Yung 1 revolution is equals siya sa 360 na ang 360 naman ay equals to 2 pi. So, 2 pi ang ano natin, radian form. So, ang ano naman natin, ang time naman natin ay 60 seconds. Ayan, 60 seconds. Ngayon, natatapin natin yung angular. So, theta, 2 pi over 60 na magiging, pag sinimplify pala, ay pi over 30. So, ito yung angular velocity natin. So, nahanap natin yung angular velocity natin na pi over 30 rad per second. Ngayon, mahanap natin yung linear natin. So, ang linear kasi is B equals to R angular velocity. Ayan. So, ang radius natin is 15 times pi over 30. Ayan. So, na equals to 15 pi over 30. Kapag sinimplify, magiging pi over 2. So, ito yung linear velocity natin. Pi over 2 meter per second. Number 2. The school logo at Bulacan Integrated National High School is designed inside a circular sign with a radius of 3.5 meters. The logo covers an angle of 72 degrees. A. What is the area of the sector covered by the logo? B. If the school wanted to increase the logo size to cover an angle of 90 degrees, what would be the new area of the sector? So, sa letter A muna yung hanapin natin. Ang given natin sa number 2 ay radius is 3.5 meters at yung angle natin o yung theta pala is 72 degrees na dapat gawin siya to radian form. So, 72 degrees times pi. Ito yung dapat palang gamitin para maging radian yung degrees. So, simplify natin sila. 36, kaya magiging 2 to, tapos magiging 5. So, 2 times pi is 2 pi. Copy yung 5. So, ito yung magiging gamitin natin theta sa given. Para sa area. So, ito yung formula ng area. R squared tapos theta. Ngayon, hanapin na natin siya. So, ito yung kalabasan niya. Ito muna pala yung isosolve para mas madali siyang isolve dun sa theta dito. So, yung 3.5 squared is 12.25 times sa 1/2 magiging 6.125 times. Tapos, times natin siya sa 2 pi over pi. 6.125 times 2. Same lang siya dito sa 12.25. Kaya magiging 12.25 pi over pi. So, ito yung sagot sa letter A, yung area. So, yung next is yung B. If the school wanted to increase the logo size to cover an angle of 90 degrees, what would be the new area of the sector? So, dito naman, yung theta naman natin ngayon is 90 degrees naman. Pero same radius. Yung kagaya nga sa letter A, kaya kailangan siya gawing radian. So, 90 degrees times pi over 180. So, magiging pi over 2. So, area ulit. 1/2 3.5 squared diretso na natin. Magiging 6.125 times yung theta o yung pi over 2. Magiging ang area ay 6.125 pi over 2m squared. So, ayan yung sa letter B, yung area. Number 3. The student at Bulian Integrated National High School painted a circular mural with a radius of 4 meters. A sector of the mural forms an angle of 5 pi over 6 radians. Answer the following. Sa A, what is the length of the arc that the sector covers? B, how many meters would the student walk if they trace along the arc from one end of the sector to the other? So, sa letter A, nawawala din yung arc length, is yung S. So, ang formula ng S kasi ay r theta. Yung kasi yung r natin, yung radius is 4 meters. At yung theta natin is yung naka-region form na 5 pi over 6. So, ito times lang natin sa dalawa para mahanap yung arc length. So, S equals to 4 times 5 pi over 6 na magiging 20 pi over 6 na pag sinimplify magiging 10 pi over 3. Ito yung sagot sa letter A. Ganito rin yung sagot sa letter B kasi how many meters would a student walk if they trace along the arc? So ito yung meters na lalakarin nila if they trace along the arc. Ito rin yan.